Dr. Martini, and this is the Doctor's Corner. And today, as answering your health questions, I've got a question here from Sharon Jean here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And she writes, Dear Doctor, I've been looking at the George Thorogood and the Destroyer's website, and looking at the pictures, I've noticed you've lost a lot of weight. How did you do that? Well, Sharon Jean, there's two answers to that. First, it's a mental state of mind, an attitude, and motivation, and second, the diet itself. The motivation comes easily because I've had several members of the organization tell me, one, I'm the smartest guy out here, and another member of the organization telling me he was the best looking guy out here. And I figured, well, I could be the skinniest guy out here. So that was my motivation. Then I needed a diet. So I tried Atkins. That's a very bad diet. I wouldn't advise that. It worked great, but my cholesterol went through the roof. So then I tried Weight Watchers. I've dropped 30 pounds, got my running back in shape, and I'm ready to kick butt. Thank you very much, Sharon Jean. We'll see you in Tulsa this summer.